What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's little episode, I'm going to give you guys an update as to a new vehicle that we purchased and announce the winner to the Glovebox subscription. So guys, if you remember, I think it was about 2 weeks ago now, we put out a video with the new Glovebox, all of the cool stuff that came in the August Glovebox. And what we're going to be doing each month is giving one of those away. So I'm going to pick the winner and announce the winner down here. It'll be below, and all the information will be in the description. Email me your information, and I will pass that on to the Glovebox, and they will send you either the August box or the September one. Hopefully, if you can get that information soon enough, then you can get the August box and maybe the September one, I'm not sure. But you're going to get one of those subscription boxes free. So what vehicle did we purchase? Well, it's this guy right here. Let's take a look. So here is our new vehicle. Well, it's not new, it's new to us. 2011 Lexus GX 460. This is one of our practical dream vehicles. We wanted a pearl white with light interior, and it took us a while to find it, but we found one. It was about 3 hours away in North or South Carolina, I forget where. So we took the day, traveled, picked it up, and very happy with it so far. Has about 123,000, and it's got some weird little issues. We'll go over it on weekend washes. We'll go over some of the weird things, the weird little issues that I've found with it. Nothing major, except for one thing, which I need to figure out how to fix. This headlight leaks extremely bad, like very bad. It's been raining, and just from sitting here and having it rain on it, it leaks. So the leak must be coming from the top edge here. So I'm gonna have to investigate, do some operation here, some surgery, and hopefully seal that in and stop that leaking. So we'll see what we can do to fix that. Otherwise, it is beautiful. I love this pearl paint, gorgeous. It also has this little bumper issue here, just keeps popping out. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that, how to make sure to keep it in there. I might have to loosen some things up, and I think some of these snaps have, broken off. These little clips have broken off. So we'll look into that, seeing what we can do to fix that. As far as the interior goes, really nice condition. Beautiful leather, nice light tan color, light tan interior. And check this out, guys. Unlike the Avalon, no black dash, and it's a matte finish. Really awesome. Love the quality of this. Got WeatherTech mats also. Made sure to get those right away for the front, the middle here, and also I love these. I love how the door opens like this. The entire back area. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's from grocery shopping. What a mess. Let's just close that. Yeah, I need a weekend wash on this thing. But so far, very happy with it. And you'll be seeing more of this thing on our weekend washes. And we sold the Sequoia. It's gone. Trailer's back there. We can tow it if needed. We have the tow hitch on here that I installed. The only vehicle we have left that's ours is this Avalon, our black one. But we may be selling this one also. So we're trying to consolidate and have one vehicle that's all paid off, all done, which is nice. So this is going to be our new work vehicle. So guys, just a quick update showing you the new vehicle, and we'll be doing the weekend washes, like I said, on that. So you'll be seeing more and more of that vehicle, and hopefully seeing some of the fixes that we can do to that headlight. That's really the only major one that I can think of. Everything else works. It's perfect. It's really clean. It's awesome. For 2011, it's the same year as our Avalon. Whoever had it, it was a one owner, took really good care of it. So we're really happy with that. Now, as far as the Glovebox winner, that goes to D&D Auto Detailing. So congratulations, D&D Auto Detailing. You won this month's Detail Glovebox. So I'll put my email right here and in the description down below. Just email me and I will forward your email to the Glovebox, and they will send one out to you pronto. And don't forget, you can also get 20% off your first Detail Glovebox by typing in Miranda 20 in the code section, and you can get 20% off your first detail box. Now here in the States, they're about 35 bucks, and you get full, bottles, not little tiny samples, full bottles of products and certain tools and microfibers and all sorts of stuff. So I love getting those subscriptions each month. It's just something that kind of makes me happy and something to look forward to. I even have a coffee subscription. I used to have other subscriptions. It's something to look forward to each month, and you can try out different products. So really, really happy with that. I still, well, actually I did use the bug remover in another video. You will see that on the channel soon, because I did get a chance to use it on a really nasty bug-infested grill and headlights and front bumper of a vehicle that we detailed. So you will eventually see that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys later. Have a great week. Stay safe.